This is Dr. Jyoti Pipat working as an assistant professor at Sri Siddha Ganga College of Education. In this video, I would like to share my experience regarding how we can give the grades for the different percentages of this course in the marks list. Right? So for that, you can I have opened a marks, I opened a Excel sheet. So you can find the names of few students and the titles of different subjects as well as the scores obtained by these students in these different subjects, and you can also find the total for the total of these students and the average for this total and the percentage which has been calculated by using the formula. All these I have shared it in my previous video. So in this video we shall know how we can give the grade for the percentage of these students. So we already know that grades will be given based on the percentages. So okay, so for as I have already told you in the previous video that for giving the grade we have to insert always the equal symbol. So I have placed my cursor in the formula bar and I have typed in equal. So after that we have to give the condition. If the total score is more than 90, what grade has to be given. If it is more than 80 what and below 90, what has to be given. So for that we have to give the condition. So condition will be given by typing the word if, right? So after that we have to open the bracket and we have to type the cell address of the percentage. If I want to give a grade for Suma, so her percentage is 93.5 and the cell address is N60. Cell address of percentage of Suma is N60, right? N60. N60. If N60 is greater than or is equal to 90, I wish to give her is 90. I wish to give her A grade. Right? So for that I am going to open the double inverted comma. See, after 90 you have to place comma and then you have to open the double inverted comma and type it as A. Right? A plus. I wish to give her A plus grade. So again you have to close the open inverted comma and type comma. If her score is lying between 80 to 90, I wish to give her A grade. So again you have to place the condition by typing the word if. If open the bracket and type the percentage cell address. If N60 is greater than or is equal to 80. If it is greater than or is equal to 80, I wish to give her as A grade. So for that, after 80 you have to type comma, then open the double inverted comma and type A and close the double inverted comma. Again you have to place comma. Again, if her score is between 70 to 80, I wish to give her the grade B plus, right? B plus. So for that I have to again place the condition by typing the word if. Open the bracket and type the cell address N60. Cell address of what? Cell address of percentage of Suma. Okay. So if it is greater than or is equal to 70, comma, what should be displayed? C. So I want it, sorry, B. I want it to get display B, sorry, B plus it is. B plus it is. Right? So after this, close the double inverted comma and place comma. Again, if it lies between 60 to 70, I want it to be graded as B. Okay, again I have to type condition if, bracket open, cell address of percentage N60 is greater than or is equal to 60, comma, double inverted comma open, close, open, and I have to mention it as B. Right? I will close the double inverted comma, again comma. If it lies between 50 to 60, sorry, 50 to 60, if the percentage lies between percentage lies in between 60 to 70. that means if it is greater than 50, if it is greater than, let it be comma, let it be C plus. Okay, let it be C plus. Again close the double inverted comma, place comma, then again give the condition as if the percentage lies in between 50 to 60, sorry 40 to 50, the greater than or is equal to 40 comma, double inverted comma is opened, double inverted comma is opened, and type it as C. Again double inverted comma, close the double inverted comma, again comma, insert comma. After inserting comma, if any scores, if the individual scores below 40, let it be fail, right? Let it be fail. So for that, again I will open the bracket, and type the percentage cell address as N60 if it is lesser than 40. I wish to avoid fail for the individual by representing it by the letter F, right? So then what we have to do is we have to close the bracket. So we have to count how many brackets we have opened. So one bracket, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have opened 7 brackets. So I am going to close it by typing 7 brackets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I am going to press the enter button. See, as the score lies in between 90 to 100, it is above 90, greater than or is equal to 90, it has been represented as A plus. So this is what the condition I have given, right? So if I want to give the grade for all the other students, what I have to do is we have to drag it. See what is going to happen now. See, so two students have failed because the condition that we gave was if the student's percentage lies below 40, it should be represented as fail, which is displayed as F. If it is in between 60 to 70, any score, if it is greater than or is equal to 60 and which lies below 70, then it has to be represented as B. Right? So this is how we will give the grade by giving the formula. So once again I would like to repeat the formula for the grade. We have to begin the formula by typing equal. Any formula has to begin with equal, and condition will be represented by using the term if. So if we have to open the bracket and we have to type the percentage cell address. So as we are giving the grade based on the percentage, we have to type the cell address of the percentage. Okay, so if the percentage is greater than or is equal to 90, comma, we have to open the double inverted comma, then we have to type A plus, close the double inverted comma, then comma, if open the bracket, N60 is greater than or is equal to 80, comma, double inverted comma is opened, A, we have to type the A, close the double inverted comma, again, if open the bracket, N60 is greater than or is equal to 70, comma, then open the double inverted comma, B plus, close the double inverted comma, if open the bracket and again type N60 is greater than or is equal to 60, comma, open the double inverted comma and type B, close the double inverted comma, then type comma, if, then open the bracket, N60 is greater than or is equal to 50, type comma, then open the double inverted comma, type C plus, close the double inverted comma and then type comma. Again the condition if is applied, again open the bracket, N60 is greater than or is equal to 40, place comma, then open the double inverted comma, type C, close the double inverted comma, then type comma. Again the condition is applied by typing if, open the double bracket and type N60. If it is lesser than 40, type 40. After that you have to place comma. You have then open double inverted comma and type F, close the double inverted comma. And after that at the end you have to close the brackets. Number of brackets that you have opened, you have to count it and you have to close the number of brackets, right? So as I have opened 7 brackets, I am going to close it by typing 7 closing brackets, and after that you have to place it as enter, right? So let me type, see whether it works for the other numbers also or not. Let me try it. Okay, so I will insert one more score. So serial number 5, I will type one name and I will give some score for, okay, 60 and 52 and 53, 51 and 49 and 44 and one more. So these are the scores that has been obtained by Hari. Just tentatively I have given it. So for that, if I wish to calculate the total, again no need to type the formula. I will just drag it. I will get the formula for average also. Take the cursor to the above score, average score, and drag it. You will get the average score for this. For percentage also, place the cursor in the above percentage score. Then drag it. You will get the percentage. See whether the grade holds good for this particular score that I have typed newly now. I will again drag it. See, it is C plus. So the condition, what was the condition that I gave? So if this score, see this score, see this percentage is 51.5, where actually it lies if it is below, so below 50. See, this is the condition that I have to consider. So if it is N, if it is percentage formula N60 is greater than or is equal to 50, let it display as C plus, right? So this is what we have obtained, right? So this is how we are going to calculate by using the formula. So thank you for watching this video.